Hi, my name is Matt Bush, and I'm the creator of Ignite. In this brief video, I'll be giving you a behind-the-scenes look at the members area. Alright, so the first thing you'll notice is that everything is really easy to find. This right here is the core training. It's where I go through my special secret formula that'll show you how to start profiting from all the software that you've already bought. You'll be able to use this information to sell anything digital. It's how I succeeded in my own multi-million-dollar business. And this is where you'll find the extra special modules that we created for over 40 of the most recent top-selling JVZoo softwares and systems. If you own any of these products, you'll be able to benefit from the specific training that I have for each of these. Plus, you'll also find tons of other resources for these products, including things like swipes to sell, video commercials, and more. And don't forget, you'll also be getting access to some very special bonuses. You'll be receiving our top-selling softwares, Easy Magic Video and Easy Review Videos, so you can make your own stunning video commercials and then sell them using the Ignite formula. Plus, you'll be getting other bonuses, including top-level additional secrets that are going to make all of this even easier for you. You can learn more right on this page.